Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my blog. Myself Sïñhä from Shillong, Meghalaya. So I'm gonna telling you how to enter in my blog and see the full process, how to enter with use of your Google. So all you have to do is go to Google Chrome, then pop up your screen, your Google screen like this, and you have to type there in the search bar Krishna Sïñhä blog. Here pop up the message Krishna Sïñhä blog, and then it will be came like this, and then click here, then it will become like this. So if you want to know about Bishnupriya Manipuri language, then go to search bar and type Bishnupriya Manipuri language and click on search and enter, and that's the end. Bishnupriya Manipuri language immerter. So like this, go down. So here the message over there, and I go to continue reading, and then it just came. See, India is an incredible land. I'm proud to be an Indian and proud myself as a Bishnupriya Manipuri fellow. As per 2011 census report, India has 122 languages. Out of these, we have recognized officially 22 languages. A good news is knowing if all our community people knows own roots and origin, damn sure shortly included another beautiful language on third. That is our Bishnupriya Manipuri language immerter. Our mission and vision is very clear, connects with one feeling, we the people of one nation. Please focus on 2021 census, my dear brothers and sisters. Joy ma Bishnupriya Manipuri joy.